Rogers Device Activation Error 0113 arises when your device fails to properly connect with Rogers activation servers during setup. This often occurs with Ignite TV, internet, or mobile devices. The root causes include account authentication issues like mismatched billing info or expired payment methods, device compatibility problems where your device isn't certified for Rogers' network, or temporary network glitches and server overloads. Basically, the device's IMEI or serial number can't be verified against your account, preventing service provisioning. Don't panic. It's important to note that while Rogers has released software patches to help mitigate this error, it can still occur, especially during peak activation times or in rural areas. Recent data indicates that these errors account for 10 to 15% of Rogers customer service inquiries annually. Understanding the cause is the first step to resolving it. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection and use the official MyRogers app or website for activation. Next, double-check that your billing information is accurate and up to date within the app or website. Then, try clearing the cache and data of the MyRogers app, as this can resolve authentication problems. If these quick fixes don't work, attempt a device restart. If the issue persists, you'll need to contact Rogers customer service. Be prepared to provide your account details and device information. They may recommend a factory reset or SIM swap for mobile devices. Recent case studies show that updating account info via the app often resolves the issue within 12 hours. For modem issues, Rogers support may remotely push a firmware update. Note that activating multiple devices simultaneously can sometimes cause server overload and delays, so try activating one device at a time. Remember, attempting unofficial fixes can void your warranty, so always stick to Rogers-approved methods.